Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm super excited to talk to you about this cool little outdoor or indoor light by Haoyishu. And this is not just any light. This light has 24 LEDs inside of that bulb there, which makes it very power efficient. And the reason it has this long cord is because that attaches to this guy. It comes with a solar panel. Solar panel has about a 4500 mAh battery inside of it. So while it's getting sun during the day, it is charging that battery. So then when the sun goes down, you can power this light. Don't have to worry about plugging it into a light switch or power. It's getting power from the solar panel, which is awesome. Now it does have 4 brightness levels and 3 different temperatures. So basically you got your cool white, your warm white, or a mix in between. And then you've got different levels of intensity. Now, if you have it the brightest, then the battery has been fully charged, which takes only about 4 or 5 ish hours of daylight in order to fully charge that battery. If it's fully charged at the brightest level, it can go for about 6 hours. At the lowest level, it can go for about 15 hours. So plenty to cover you throughout the night. It does have an auto on off if you want it to just come on at night and then turn off in the morning, dusk till dawn. You can set it that way and it will do that as well. Now it's very lightweight. That's what's great about it, because it is LEDs. It's very lightweight, and because the power is coming from here, so there's not a whole lot in this, so it makes it really easy to hang anywhere. And it was very easy for me to get it where I wanted it. It's great for like a shed or a canopy or a gazebo area like that. That's where I put it. We have this canopy. Right now it's kind of winter. We don't have our picnic table out there, but usually we have a picnic table underneath there. And so this is perfect. Easy to just place in the middle of that and then run this wire. It's a very long wire so that you can get it where you need to go in order to have this where it'll get the most sun to be able to power up all day. And so you mount this, and it does come with the mounting hardware to mount it to the wall if you want to. And you connect it, and then you set it up. Now it does have a remote control, so you can control the light with the remote control. Obviously, like I said, you can have the dusk to dawn, it'll just come on automatically every night. But you also have that remote control in order to fully control the brightness of it, brightness level, as well as the color tone, whether you want that warm white, cool white, or the in between. So really easy to control, really easy to put it where you want it, and produces a really surprising amount of light, about 500 lumens. So really nice bright light, really lights up the area nicely. So great for a storage shed, or if you have a chicken coop, or a garage that needs light, or something outdoors like a gazebo, or just an area of your yard that you want to light, then this is an excellent way to do this. You could hang this in a tree very easily if you have a canopy branch that's over an area where a picnic table is or something. Easy to hang this, and then just make sure you put this in a place that gets sun so that you can charge it up. Never have to plug it in. It works really, really great. Definitely a really cool light. If you're looking for something like this, then this is a product that I would highly recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, share this video with them. All those ways are down there. I'll have a link to the product on Amazon, so you can click that link, jump over there, read what other people said about it, pick one up for yourself. If you have any questions, post them in the comments below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. Don't forget to favorite my playlist or subscribe to my channel so you can keep up with future product reviews. That's going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.